What's the difference between being bonded and being insured?
You want to go into that?
I think that's more you. You're right.
But so we would look at it. So we deal with bonding when it's a situation with like a performance bond, right, or bid bond. So can you complete this project in a timely manner? Can you perform the duties that you're telling us you can?
I'm very interested in having a certain amount of work done, finished by a very particular date.
Exactly.
And the person says, I can do that.
Yep.
To give me comfort that that will happen, I can go to a third party, get a bond.
Exactly.
If it doesn't happen, I collect on that.
Yep, absolutely.
Is that something you see happen in the sort of residential world a lot, or is
Not
it more
at all.
commercial?
It's really, but it's actually not even commercial. It's more for municipalities.
Ah, municipalities.
Yeah, that's where we would find bonding.
I want the bridge fixed.
Exactly.
You better be done by June.
That's where we would find bonding take place.
Yeah, no faster way to lose your job as a politician than having the bridge out for 6 months longer. Get the bond going.
So, and to answer the second part of that, insurance would cover if there was, while you were building the bridge, if something happened, if you had a catastrophe, that would cover that portion.
Good. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.